going to take you through a stretch that I did the other day with you called frog. All right, so we set the pillows up. Ruby, Pebbles already knows how to do frog. Move over, Pebbles. So what we're going to do today is we're going to put the pillows down and we're going to set someone up that is a little bit tighter than I am.
That's an understatement.
Okay, so here he comes down. John Hammerly, you are going to come down and you are going to, yes. So as you can see, he's a little tighter than I was. You turn the legs out, turn the toes out, but now his toes don't turn out as easy. So let me tell you a couple of things we're going to do. One, Pebbles, move. Move, baby. Come here. Come on. So what we're going to do is we're going to maybe, if you have some help with this, you're going to put a little something under the ankles. Yes. For people who are a little tighter. Excuse me, Ruth. And then does that feel okay? Okay. Then I'm gonna put maybe a little bit underneath his neck area if Pebbles will leave us alone. And that way he doesn't have a strain to his neck. And there he is. Are you breathing? A little. A little? Okay, Pebs, give him a kiss or two. That's good. So now he's elevated higher than I was, okay? But he's getting the same stretch. I just elevated his legs a little more. So this is frog. Rest in it. Opens the shoulders. Opens the hips. Play with your dog will love it. At least one will. One of our dogs loves it. Okay. That's all I know right now.
I feel so much better after.
Good.